In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Base44 web app into a native app. First, sign into your Base44 account, then click on Apps, and then just select the application which you want to convert from web app to native app. Once you select the app itself, then you want to click on Publish in the top right corner and just copy your link here. Once you copy the link, then you will go to this website, median.co, and you just want to paste the link which we copied, and you will click on Build Your App. Now, this is going to convert your application web app into a native app. You just have to set an app name for it, and you will click on Start Building My App. Once you select it, then here you have the simulation, and it is going to show you the process. So it is going to generate the files for iPhone and for Android as well, so depending on what you need. And once it has been built, then you can click on Build and Download here. Once you click on Build and Download, you have the option of downloading your files. So here for Android, you have the APK or AAB file. You have the option of getting the source code as well. And once it is complete, here for iPhone, it is going to let you download the IPA for iOS as well. And you can upload this native app wherever you need it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.